Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to change hotspot password on your phone. So first of all, launch settings on your mobile devices. Once you come here, go ahead and tap on connections. Now over here, go ahead and tap on mobile hotspot and tethering. Now on top, tap on mobile hotspot. Now, once you come over here, you can see the category of password. Tap on it. Now, you can simply change your password. Once you do so, tap on the option of save. And with that, you will successfully be able to change your mobile hotspot password. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.